just pray for me, okay?
I could sit around and tell you all about how I wanna live my life and try to make it happen, and try to make it happen.
So it has been several hours since I showed you what I was having for breakfast. I don't know, it's been one of those days where I don't know if it's just the way the weather was or what, but I just felt so lethargic and like I didn't want to go anywhere, I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to like lay around. I think part of it has to do with the fact that literally every day this week we had different appointments for Alex. Doctor's appointments, therapy appointments, all kinds of appointments. I am just physically and mentally exhausted. I have been laying around the whole day feeling like a potato. And I know I need to relax sometimes. It's just hard for me to do that because there's always so much to do. Alex has been asleep a lot today too, so I don't know. She must be tired too. Everybody's just tired. Okay, dinner. I think I'm gonna do a couple hamburger patties and some cauliflower. But look how red my eyes are. I'm stressing out. Here's my bacon seal from earlier. I'm just going to use that to put my patties in. Judge me if you want. Gotta get your fats in, bro. Got this cauliflower from Target, baby. Popped it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Took it out, put it in a bowl, threw some of this stuff on here. Which is my first time doing this, and I tasted one. It's bomb. I got this from Sam's Club, and I just went ahead and stirred it on in there. Added my pink salt, Himalayan pink salt, and pepper, and mix it on in. That's gonna be my side dish. All right, so I had a conversation with myself and God, and I concluded that I need to stop being lazy and just make myself a cheeseburger chaffle. If you don't know what the chaffle is, it is basically a cheddar waffle. People get really creative and put all kinds of stuff in them. I also have a waffle video myself. Click that link down below. But I found that with the chaffle, when it's acting as like a bread on a burger, it can have a bit of like an eggy taste. So I'm literally in a keto chaffle Facebook group. God, I sound like such an old lady. I am an old lady. I've been trying out all the different types of recipes that there are. So they say this one is like considered to be the Wonderbread of chaffles. Wonderbread is like the best bread. It's so soft and pillowy, and it's good. Because I've tried making the chaffle before, which is like literally just putting cheddar in your griddle and then throwing an egg in there and calling it a day. I didn't like that because it's like I'm just eating a cheesy egg, like no baking powder, no nothing. Like, sis, no. This recipe says we're going to use 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of almond flour, a tablespoon of mayo. I know, weird, right? But I tried this one, and so far this one's been my favorite. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of water. So I got my recipe right here. So I got my handy dandy Dash mini waffle maker heating up. Got my baking powder, got my mayo, got my egg whites, sort of, and almond flour. I am almost out of Trader Joseph's blanched almond flour. I need to go re-up. Let's throw it all together.
Waiting in the hope, you know I love it when you ride with me.
So that's the consistency we're at. I was gonna make a chaffle, but if you've been here for a while, you know I'm a little lactose intolerant. We don't really want to talk about that. So what I'm gonna do instead is just make the regular little bread-like waffle here, and then I'm going to put cheddar cheese on top of my hamburger patty, so it could be like a cheeseburger instead, because you gotta take it easy on that dairy. This is already warmed up, so I'm just gonna pour in half the batter now. Ooh, ooh. I feel like this is gonna make too much. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Close it down. Okay, so we've got some action. This is rising to the occasion. So let's just open that up for a second. Give it a little poke. Get some of those little air pockets out, what have you. Because eggs are gonna fluff up anyway, but close it back down for a moment. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. Let's see how this is looking. It's looking pretty good to me. I'm just gonna use my little fork here and take it out. Come on, little baby. Oh, that's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Let's do the other one. So while we're waiting for the white bread to be done, let's chit chat a little bit. Lately, I have been feeling pretty down, and I don't know if it's the season. I don't know if it's literally the season outside or like the season I'm in with my life. But I'm just gonna tell you that I've been kind of like going through it. So keep me in your prayers. That's all I can say. While Alex's health is improving, there's still some things that we're working on with her, which is why we have to go to like a bajillion therapies every week, which is exhausting for me, especially when this wasn't really in my career path. For now, this is just a season of my life. I don't even know. Just pray for me, okay? Because I need it. Being a parent is hard. It's not easy, you know? People make it look easy, but it's not. And when people ask me, what do you do all day? A lot. Most days, which is why today I'm just super tired and I feel like I couldn't do anything. I know I can do it. I just know I'm gonna need a lot of encouragement. Oh God, it's 8:30 and I'm just now eating. I guess I'm only eating 2 meals today. I wasn't really too hungry after I ate breakfast, so. All right, let's check on the other chaffle. It should be done. I mean, waffle, bread. You know what I mean. Yes. Burger assemble. All right, so inside, I got a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. We don't have any slices. Cheese is cheese. Some sugar-free syrup right here. Syrup.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Girl, go if you don't. Okay, some no sugar added ketchup, and then mustard. So let's put it all together. Yes, sweet baby. I think I'm going to drink a Coke Zero tonight. It's just been one of those days. Also, if you're wondering, Aaron left for work. He works at night, so it's just dinner party of one right now. But I did save him a patty, and he'll probably just eat his with bread. Did I forget my cauliflower? I'm gonna go get my cauliflower, but he'll probably just eat his with regular bread. Let's give it a whirl. That's good. This would be even better with like lettuce, tomato, pickles, all the works. But this is something I just threw together because what we had. But there it is. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also turn on those notifications, that way you never miss an upload, because why would you want to miss an upload, huh? You wouldn't. Anyway, I'll catch you next time. Bye.